Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Michael Tamad and this is my friend Nomnog. So today we are gonna be taking this trail. We have no idea where it leads to, but we are going to be walking it. Yeah, I don't know what to say because I don't know. I'm like new. Y'all know that I'm a noob. Like I'm new at vlogging and stuff. But yeah, ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Comment down below. Comment down below if y'all want to see a part 2. Like we may come back at night, or we may take the different paths. So enjoy this transition or whatever you call it. On this island. I'm gonna fall.
Should have brought a stick.
Yeah. Okay. I should have brought my shoes, but my shoes are all. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to continue this, guys. Frick, that hurt. My freaking knee hurts. So what happened? We were walking down. We're not even halfway, and I already fell. We were walking down to the trail, or down this trail. As soon as I say I'm gonna fall or I'm gonna slip, I freaking slip. Oh shoot, my knee hurts. Okay, guys, yeah, I'm fine. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I didn't break my knee, but yeah. There's Nomnog.
Follow for part 2.
Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stop the vlog here, but I'm just gonna take a break. But we'll update. I'll update y'all in the. Oh my! Ow!
Bro, you can't even speak.
I know, right? I'm so jittery. I'll update y'all in a minute.
Okay, my boy is trying to stand up.
I'm still freaking shook after that.
Too bright. Stop it.
Ow!
You okay?
Yeah, I popped my knee and...
Sorry for recording this. But
it's fine. I told you to anyways. Please don't slip. I don't want to slip again.
I'll be right down here and I'll be the one injured.
Let me lean on you. Okay.
That's how you help friends.
Imagine I'm not even moving and then I just freaking slip again. Oh my god.
The brightness.
That'd be so
The
stupid.
bright.
Okay.
We're right at the beginning of the stairs and he's already injured. And there's still more stairs going down.
Wait, no, show that's the
That's
first stair.
the first
Wait,
stair.
which one did I slip on? This one or that
The
one?
first stair.
Oh, that hurt.
See that little black spot?
That's where I slipped?
Yes.
Why did it make a mark? Why does it make marks?
It did though. Look here. See that?
Yeah.
That's a strong feet.
Oh my god. That's my foot?
Yes, that's your foot.
Jeez. I'm like a size 10. Jeez. You should see Nomnog right now. Here, wait. But this is me right now. And this is him. Okay, be careful. Please don't slip and make me slip. Oh god.
Here, watch this.
Go! Oh, Nomnog! Oh god. Should I hold that? Okay, I'm gonna be quiet for the rest of the video and just put music and So yeah.
Enjoy the book.
Yeah, enjoy the music and enjoy the vlog.
This is what we call a local house. It's where we used to live in before, since American stuff is not yet here.
Is that like what you call a koyang, or is that like another design of a koyang?
It's actually a house.
Mm. If y'all want us to finish the walk, then just comment down below and we'll post a part 2, probably like the near future. So yeah, so we'll catch y'all in the next. Peace out.